Well, I originally come from Pakistan, so I was born there. I went to med school in Pakistan, and I came here in 1991 and did my residency and fellowship at Staten Island. And after doing my fellowship in cardiology, I came to this area in 1999, and initially I was in private practice, and then I have been with Guthrie since 2013. So I have been almost now, 25 years in this area. I wanted to be a surgeon, but coming here, I, went through my rotation in medicine, and I really fell in love with, with cardiology, both because of the physiology and some of the procedures related with. So I really liked, and that's why I chose, to do my fellowship in cardiology and further training. And so I have been always competitive, and I wanted to see what else can be done. So I did my board certification. Other than in cardiology, I did my board certification in echocardiography, and also did board certification in nuclear cardiology. So that was a good mix, and so that I was able to offer greater services to my patients. And then about 6-7 years ago, cardio-oncology was kind of introduced in bigger university centers, and which was kind of it's an intersection of cardiology and working with patients who are getting cancer therapies, because some of the newer cancer therapies and also some of the older ones have a lot of side effects on the heart function. And so with cardio-oncology is that you are aware of some of those side effects and interaction of these drugs on the heart, that we as cardiologists are able to guide the oncologist as to what to do with their chemotherapy. Should they stop it or should they continue? So this is kind of like a collaboration with the oncologist, specifically from heart perspective, and that I think leads to better outcomes for the patient. So then 2 years ago I took my boards, so I got certified by International Cardio-Oncology Society. So I'm really happy and proud that that we at Guthrie are able to offer this kind of collaborative services for our patients, especially oncology patients. Yeah, so coming here, this was definitely a culture shock, coming from Staten Island, from New York City, out to Southern Finger Lakes. I would say plus points was that I had not seen the rural side of the United States since I came, because I landed in New York City, and I stayed there for 10 years during my training. So coming here was, I was pleasantly surprised, and I think it was to raise families. I really liked this area. That so my, I have 2 boys and a girl, and they all went to local schools, Horseheads High School. Then because of I was interested in flying, I got into flying, and then into remote control, plane flying, and I played tennis here. I was part of the league here, but lately I think I have taken up pickleball. I say, this is a craze about it. So I said, okay. So I've recently started playing pickleball.